All right, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special episode of The Box Breakers. We're here once again at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Not to, discount Goner back there either. Goner, what's up?
Hey guys.
And Joe, special guest in his own studio. What's going on, Joe?
Not much.
What do we got today?
The 2019-20...
2020?
No, 2019-2020. Or they say it short, 2019-20. Panini certified basketball boxes with Zion on the front there, and Barrett's is on there. RJ.
Nice.
RJ is doing really good right now too. Zion is sidelined with a knee injury right now.
He's going to come back.
Oh, he's definitely going to come back.
He's going to be a 400-pound dunk machine.
I hope he's not 400 pounds. I mean,
you know
he's 400 right now.
You know he's going to 400 pounds.
I hope not.
How much did you weigh when you were his age?
Well,
and how much do you weigh now?
Okay, that's a.
You can ask that to anybody, though.
Okay, if you asked me that if I was at the age that he is, like
yeah,
no,
not the same weight as him, but I'm saying take your same age, and I'm trying to say
I'm a way older. Yeah,
as you get older, you're gonna gain weight. That's all I'm saying. So he's gonna be 400-pound dunk machine.
400 pounds, he's not gonna be dunking. First of all,
heck, he's already 330 something, right?
But he's gonna be in his 40s. Come on.
Oh no, I'm saying he's gonna get to 400 pounds in like the next couple years. He's just gonna.
Well, you said my age.
Oh, I was trying to ask when you were his age, how much did you weigh, and then how much did you put on like after high school? That's what I'm saying. Just or even in like the few years afterwards.
I put on a lot of muscle because I joined the Marine Corps.
Right, and so if he's working out and whatever, he's going to be putting on muscle, fat. Like he's going to be 400
he has the muscle.
pounds.
He's going to be trimming down. There's a way to work out and not gain muscle, and it's more reps than it is less reps and heavy weight. Heavy weight and less reps. You're trying to gain muscle.
Steph Curry looks like he could gain just a little muscle.
He's fine.
He's perfect.
Yeah,
dropping him from
good.
half court.
Dude, the guy can shoot, man.
Look at that.
Right now he can't because his hand is broken, but it is what it is. Yeah, we get your first blue certified here.
Blue certified rookie on Ryu. I don't know. We've seen this guy in our Prism basketball opening. If you haven't seen that one, go back and check it out. There you go. Thanks, Joe. Ooh, there's Bill Russell.
Bill Russell.
One of the greatest of all times. Maybe the greatest, right? How many rings does he have?
A ton. You can put Michael Jordan and Kobe together. Bill Russell still has more.
Wow. And Al Horford.
I'm not sure on the number, but he pretty much won an entire decade. And he lost like one or two in an entire decade.
Wow.
Yeah, those teams, the Celtic teams, were incredible. John Wall. Upside down. What is that? Kevin Love?
Yeah, looks like
another blue one.
Another
blue one's numbered?
I don't know. I didn't even check the last one. Oh, we got maybe our first hit. Looks like the blues are not numbered. All right, Kiki Vandeweghe. Oh, he's an old school player.
Old school player, yeah. Denver Nuggets. That's when they had the cool jerseys.
Heck yeah, look at that. Nice. All right, let's see if we got the auto on him.
Yeah, it's the auto, but that's not what we want.
And we do. No, that's
we
not
want Zion.
We want Zion. I like that. He used up the whole sticker with his auto. It's cool.
You can actually read it compared to the guys today.
Right. Zion doesn't even sign his whole last name. He just W. Period. PJ Washington Jr.
PJ.
Rookie card. RC card.
PJ just reminds me of that one cartoon, Robin Hood, and they were talking to the king who was the lion, but he was not the real king. He was the phony king of England, and they would call him PJ. Prince John, that's what it is. He's like, can I just call you PJ?
I have no idea what you're talking about, Joe. I didn't see that one.
You have to watch it. Chris Dunn.
Jamal.
Once
you've seen one, you've seen Jamal.
Tyler. But not the Tyler that does Yu-Gi-Oh.
Tyler Herro. Rookie card red.
It's red. Numbered?
No number. Ooh, LBJ.
Yeah, no, I think those are the, what are they called? Short prints.
Ooh, we got a LBJ short print.
Yeah, they're probably numbered a bit to 100, 1,000 or something.
Nope, not even numbered.
Wow.
Wow.
Panini, you are really cutting back. Not even putting the foiling for the numbers. If it helps, would you just hand number them? I guess.
Just have LeBron sign them. I might want to send that one in, Joe. That one looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Or have you take a look at it. I like LeBron. He's in town.
Yes, he is.
Playing the Suns.
Play the Phoenix Suns. Good luck getting his autograph.
You think he doesn't sign for anyone because he's trying to keep the value of it up, or he just? What do you think?
I think a little bit of his arrogance, to be honest with you. Why should I sign for you? Like, you do nothing for me. Go buy it. Go spend money.
Another red.
One red or one colored per pack?
De'Aaron Fox. Darius Baisley. I don't know what this card is, but it's kind of funky looking.
Yeah.
Kyrie Irving. He's the man. There's Terrence Mann right there. Rookie.
Suns have actually been doing good this year so far. I'm not knocking some wood, so I don't jinx it.
Uh-oh, this one's pretty thick.
There you go. Probably has a filler. Do you filler still? No?
Yep, it's filler.
Filler? Ah. Just folds.
Rajon Rondo. Nice one. There's your filler. Alan Shalagic, I think. Let's see if I can get the light there. You can kind of see it, sort of. Not really. Here's another one of these throwback. Raise the banner. Bob Cousby.
Yeah.
He played on the Celtics. I have no idea who he
Yes.
is. And Jason Hayes, rookie card.
Played with Bill Russell.
Right. He rode on the coattails of Bill Russell all the way to greatness.
Well, they all complimented each other.
Yeah, I'm sure they all played a part.
Hey, Bill Russell couldn't get the ball up and down the court or pass it to himself, so.
That's true.
Eric Gordon. Oh, upside down. Number to 25. Draymond Green, looks like.
Is that Draymond?
Yeah.
Nice. Number 7 of 25. All these cards look to be in really good shape. Like, I think any of these actually would go PSA 10s, I'm sure.
Be kind of cool.
2019-2020 NBA certified. And D'Angelo Russell on the gold team. Oh, it's all good. Appreciate any of your comments.
He's with the
Anything,
Golden
it's all
State
good.
guys now.
Jusuf Nurkic.
Yeah, you say that.
Nasser Little.
Mm-hmm.
Rookie card. Whew. So far, I'm pretty happy with the quality, at least. What was the last one we did? You couldn't grade any of those things. Oh, it was the NBA Hoops. None of that stuff would have been gradable.
They must have got new cutters.
Yeah, I think they did. For certified, they got new cutters. Jonas Valkensanis, something or other. Blue. Romo Langford.
You know what those remind me of?
The
Hoops.
Color Blast.
No, the hoops we got next.
Oh, yeah.
Like, okay, you got next, cool.
Wasn't that the WNBA
Slogan?
slogan?
Probably.
We got next. I think they came out with like some report that wasn't supposed to. They leaked a report and like said how many millions of dollars the WNBA cost the NBA league.
Equal pay, though.
John Collins. Carl Anthony Towns.
Yeah. He's the one that got in a fight with Joel Embiid. It's actually kind of hilarious fight.
Ooh, we got David Robinson on Raise the Roof. Nice, the Admiral.
This is a championship that he won after Tim Duncan was drafted. Twin Towers.
Okay, these are the first two that have damaged anything. Just the two corners on those. So thankfully it's not Zion. It's Isaiah Roby and Julius Randle. All right, we still got, how many hits we got? One more hit to go?
One hit.
Yeah, one more hit to go. Pau Gasol, oh my gosh. I think I'll tell the Pau Gasol story every time I ever see his card because of how nice of a guy he was. He came to Phoenix and he had just gotten traded to the Bucks. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. And he signed for everybody. He went up the one side, down the other side, back across, was talking to everybody, laughing. Pau Gasol, man. And the whole place stood up and cheered for him as soon as he came out of the runway. Like, everybody was looking for him. Anyway.
That's cool. That's the way you do it, man.
Gordon Hayward.
Red shiny.
Jabari Parker. Gold team.
So since these are red and blue, what is Target and
Walmart
Target going to get?
Yeah.
Walmart and Target going to get. They're usually the red and blue parallels, you know?
Right. There's our third gold team. I don't know how rare those are,
That's
but
LeBron's teammate there.
all right. So this should have our last hit of the box.
I hope so.
Certified hit.
I tell you, on average,
It's thick. Better not be any filler card. Otto Porter Jr. Kevin Porter Jr.
at least it's a
Blue rookie card. All right, our hit is behind him.
So maybe go from the back.
Okay. Jalen Noel, rookie. Cameron Johnson,
Man, his son's uniform, that's kind of cool.
rookie.
There you go, you get him signed. He might sign. Still a rookie.
All right,
I'll take the blue one.
there's the blue.
Look at that. Patch Auto.
Freshman fabric. Chuma Okiki. I think that's the second auto maybe that I've gotten of him, or second hit. Anyway, that one looks really nice. That could probably maybe go for PSA.
Sticker.
It is tough, but it's right. Other than that, right there, man, nice one. All right, so that was our second hit. We got the LeBron. We got Steph Curry. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. Tim, give me 1 second, bro. We're almost done here on the Box Breakers. Stick around for the high tech. We'll see you next time. We're out.